Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Application Performance Group 16.5 planning. My name is Roger, and with me is Paul, my engineering manager counterpart. One thing that we should call out right now is, Paul, I know you're kind of helping us drive the effort to rename the group to Cloud Connector to reflect the domain that we've been working on. I think we're probably going to aim to get that moving within this coming milestone and hopefully wrap up the milestone following if it takes longer, but not much more than that. In terms of capacity, we are currently at about 85% team capacity with PTO, and our top priorities for 16.5 continue to be supporting GitLab on AI features on self-managed, starting with GitLab chat for our focus. Part of this involves building a proxy API for Anthropic into the AI gateway. And in the long run, we expect these code paths to be owned by the AI framework team. And as such, we're going to be collaborating with them on specific changes to the gateway. Part of this effort also includes providing guidance on how to instrument chat-related telemetry in a way that's consistent across both SaaS and self-managed. And this is a problem that we noticed needed some attention with code suggestions because a lot of these features were built SaaS first. And so our self-managed telemetry just needed some additional considerations to make sure they were comparable. Some additional focus items that we've been working on and carrying forward include improving the code suggestion metrics for self-managed instances. So our long-term goal is to display code suggestion business metrics in Tableau, and we've already been able to instrument the number of unique instances and unique users beginning with 16.3. And there's ongoing work to make this data visible, so we're going to continue to support that effort. We're also exploring additional support for AI features. Currently, we're looking into suggested reviewers and trying to figure out how we can bring suggested reviewer capability to our self-managed instances, and also looking to understand how explain this vulnerability might work. Lastly, we're preparing code suggestions for general availability in support of the other broader efforts in the company to GA and monetize code suggestions as an add-on. So one of the things we're going to do is streamline customer onboarding. We're going to stop performing manual onboarding for customers on 16.1, 16.2 without a CSM. For those customers, we recommend that they upgrade to 16.3 to perform self-guiding onboarding. Lastly, we're going to work through some UX design problems to make sure that when we do monetize code suggestions through an add-on, we have a smooth and clear customer experience in terms of how the purchasing happens, how the activation happens, and the types of configurations that will need to take place. I think that's kind of a summary of what we're looking at for the application performance group, soon to be the Cloud Connector group. Paul, do you have anything you want to add in or just throw in there?
No, I think that's all good. Thanks, Roger.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you, everybody. This is our kickoff for application performance group 16.5.